Good morning, children. Welcome back to the class. We are continuing our chapter all about birds, lesson number 4. What we have learned yesterday? We have learned about the different types of birds, no? They are very beautiful on the earth and they fly with the help of the wings. Now we'll continue the chapter. Take out textbook page number 220, and when I am explaining, you have to keep finger on the textbook and you have to listen. Not all birds use their wings to fly. There are many birds like the penguin, the ostrich, the kiwi and the emu that do not use their wings to fly at all. We have learned that birds will fly, but penguin, ostrich, kiwi, emu, these birds do not fly high. They do not use their wings to fly. If you went to zoo park, you can see, ostrich, kiwi and the emu, they'll be walking on the ground. Even though they are birds, birds ayanappatiki kuda they will not fly in the sky. That means these are called as flightless birds. Egaraleni pakshulu. Flightless birds. Name some flightless birds. మిమ్మల్ని ఎవరైనా ఏ బర్డ్స్ ఎగరవు వాటి నేమ్స్ ఏంటంటే ఏం చెప్తారు? ఆస్ట్రిచ్, కివి, ఈము, పెంగ్విన్. Penguins use their wings to swim and move in water. Penguins are having wings. వాటికి వింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, కానీ దేనికి యూజ్ చేస్తాయి అవి? నాట్ ఫర్ ఫ్లయింగ్, టు స్విమ్ ఇన్ ద వాటర్. వాటర్లో స్విమ్మింగ్ కోసము పెంగ్విన్స్ తన వింగ్స్ని యూజ్ చేస్తాయి. Ducks and swans also use their wings to swim. Ducks and swans, they also use their wings to swim in the water. They are having wings, but they use to swim in the water, not to fly. Peacocks and hens cannot fly high. Peacock can fly, hen can fly, but not high. Chala paiki egaravu. Peacocks and hens only chinna height, ee height varaku egurtayi. So they do not use their wings too often. Andukane avi vaatni wings ni ekkuva use cheyaru. Down you can see some more birds they have given. Read along with me. Penguin. What is this? Penguin. Emu. Ostrich. Kiwi. Peacock. Duck. Hen. Once again. Penguin. Emu. Ostrich. Kiwi. Peacock. Duck. Hen. So these are the names of some birds. Now the body of a bird. We are going to learn about the body of a bird. Have you seen the shape of a bird's body? Bird yokka body shape ela untundo chusara? It is boat shaped. How it is? It is boat shaped. How is a boat? Like this, right? So the body of the bird is somewhat like boat. Not exactly like boat, but it is somewhat like boat. This shape helps it in flying. So, because the bird's body is like boat shape, the bird is able to fly in the sky. So, anta height bird ela fly chestundi deni valla? Because the body boat shape lo undadam valla. Our body is not like that, no? Our body is like this? No. Our body is like this. So we cannot fly in the sky. These are the hands. These are the legs. So our body is not like body. It is totally different. Our body is totally different, no? So we cannot fly. We cannot fly in the sky. Further, the bones of a bird are thin and hollow. Further, the bones of a bird are thin and hollow. The bones are very thin. The light weight of a bird also helps it to fly easily. It is not. The bones are very thin and they are in lightweight. And ekkuga baru undadu. They are not having weight. That's why the birds are able to fly in the sky. So what is the first reason? Boat-shaped body, thin and hollow bones, and lightweight. 3 reasons are there. Because of this, the birds are flying high in the air. Is it clear, all of you, about the Body of a bird. Very good. Now we learn about the feathers of a bird. Bird is having feathers, right? Eagle unnaya birds ki? Yes, if we have hens, you can look at the hen. It is having feathers. The body of a bird is covered with feathers. Like sheep is having wool on its body, no? We are having only skin on our body. But for the birds, there are feathers on its body. Some birds have brightly colored feathers. They look so beautiful. కొన్ని బర్డ్స్కి ఎలాంటి ఫెదర్స్ ఉంటాయి? కలర్ఫుల్ ఫెదర్స్, బ్రైట్లీ. ఓకే, సో because of these colors, different types of colors, the birds looks very beautiful. Example, peacock. Peacock is having number of colors in its, no? The feathers are really different with different colors. So because of that, what happens? When you look at the peacock, you will feel very happy because it's very colorful and beautiful. Feathers are very important because they help a bird to fly. Feathers endukante important bird ki? Because feathers help the bird to fly. They also keep its body warm. మనకు చలేస్తే మనం స్వెటర్ వేసేసుకుంటాం కదా. What about the birds? It is having feathers, no? So the body will feel very warm. వెచ్చగా ఉంటుంది feathers వల్ల. They also keep its body warm. There are 3 kinds of feathers. In feathers, there are 3 types. Flight feathers, down feathers, body feathers. Flight feathers. These are long feathers in the wings and tail used for flying. These feathers, where are these feathers are located? On the wings and the tail. Tail ki and రెక్కలకు మాత్రమే ఈ feathers ఉంటాయి. వాటి flight feathers అంటారు. They are used for flying. Next, down feathers. These are soft and fluffy and keep the body warm. Down feathers ఏం చేస్తాయి? సాఫ్ట్గా ఫ్లఫీగా అంటే స్పాంజ్ లాగా ఉంటాయి. అండ్ వీటి వల్ల వాళ్ళ బాడీ ఎప్పుడు వెచ్చగా ఉంటుంది. దే కీప్ బాడీ వార్మ్. నెక్స్ట్ అబౌట్ ద బాడీ ఫెదర్స్. దీస్ కవర్ ద బాడీ. వింగ్స్ కాకుండా బాడీ అంతా కవర్ చేస్తాయి ఈ ఫెదర్స్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ బాడీ ఫెదర్స్. లుక్ అట్ హియర్. డౌన్ ఫెదర్స్, బాడీ ఫెదర్స్, flight feathers. So this is about the feathers of a bird. What we have learned about the feathers of a bird? The body is covered with feathers, and because of the feathers are very colorful and brightful, so the bird looks beautiful. It is having 3 types of feathers. Flight feathers are on the wings and they help to fly. Down feathers are there. They're very soft and fluffy and they help to keep the body warm. And body feather means remaining part of the body is covered with these feathers. And did you know box is given here? Birds are the only creatures that have feathers. Only birds ki maatrame feathers untai. Only the birds are having feathers. This is the only creature that having feathers on its body. Like other animals do not have feathers. Now beaks of the birds. So remaining part tomorrow we'll be learning. Now I'm going to give you the homework. So before that we will read the keywords of this lesson. This is the homework for you right today. Flight feathers. Take out the keywords from your new textbook. Keep your finger there. Flight feathers. Feathers in the wings and tails used for flying. What are flight feathers? These are the feathers that are located on the wings and used for flying. Next, down feathers. Soft and fluffy feathers which keep the body warm. Just now we have learned, no? Next, body feathers. Feathers that cover the body. And beak. Beak means the part of a bird which helps it to eat. What does a beak do? It helps the bird to eat the food. So these 4 keywords I am going to write on the board. Take the notebook, write CW, as well as you have to write the homework also one time. And you have to read along with me when you are writing. Now look at the board. flight feathers. Feathers in the wings and tails used for flying. This is the first one. Flight feathers. Feathers in the wings and tails used for flying. Second one, down feathers. Soft and fluffy. Soft and fluffy feathers which keep the body warm. Third one, body feathers. Feathers that cover the body. We'll be writing 4. Just once you read it. Flight feathers. Feathers in the wings and tails used for flying. Down feathers. Soft and fluffy feathers which keep the body warm. Body feathers. Feathers that cover the body. Just have a look and write it. I will write the fourth one. Beak. The part of a bird. The part of a bird which helps it to eat. Beak, the part of a bird which helps it to eat. So these 4 keywords you have to learn and write one time. This is your homework. CW one time and HW one time. Thank you.